Welcome to this online class, everyone. My name is Dr. G.F. Freidenberg, and I'm your professor in this class. Let's take a look at this online class since all online classes are a little bit different. Behind this video, you're going to see Canvas, and this is going to be weeks 1 and 2. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller and move it away so you can see what's going on. All right, this is Canvas weeks 1 and 2. That first area here called what do you call a group of fish, that's just for fun. Each module, each 1 and 2 weeks, I put in a little thing about what do you call a group of this and that. There's no quiz on this, of course. Next up, what comes here is a thing called what we will do in the first 2 weeks or what we will do in weeks 3 and 4, etc., etc. Everything's organized in 2-week modules. The next thing is a thing called a discussion. Now, one thing you should notice about an online class, this kind of online class, is that it's asynchronous. Asynchronous means we are not in real time. We're not communicating in real time, similar to, for example, Facebook. It's not real time. So how do we communicate? Well, one of the ways we communicate is through this kind of discussion forum. When you click on that, you can type in any kind of question or comment or even complaint that you want to say something about. The discussion forums are open in the 2 weeks of that particular module. So this is weeks 1 and 2 module, and there is a discussion forum. Next in the week, we do a thing about videos, all right? I have videos in every single lesson. Many of them I've made myself, but some of them I found, if I find some really good ones, on YouTube or elsewhere. And you will watch the videos and sometimes comment on them or sometimes discuss them. Here in this particular unit, there are 2 videos. There's one called How Your Paper Should Look, which is rather important because this is how you're going to submit your assignments. And then the second thing is a YouTube video that I found about subject-verb agreement, which is our topic for weeks 1 and 2. Next, we have something called VT. VT means Voicethread, and Voicethread is a kind of discussion. In Voicethread, you can, when you click on this, you can enter your comments in typing, but you can also record them like I'm doing now. You can record your audio only, just your voice, or you can record the screen, just like this. So you can submit typed comments, you can submit recordings of audio, and you can even record video, which is kind of fun and makes it a little more lively. In this unit, the next thing is not a real quiz. We don't have any quiz in this unit. We have something called Test Yourself, a link to a self-test on subject-verb agreement. When I have found something that's really good, I may create a link to it for you to test yourself or some exercises. And finally, there is a thing called a diagnostic writing. There's no grade to this particular assignment because I want you to practice submitting an assignment in Canvas, and I want myself to be able to read what you're able to write and comment on it. You'll be able to find the comments after a couple of days on every assignment over here where it says grades over there on the left. Now, one thing you should notice about Canvas is if you click on this little triangle here, you will actually collapse the week. Click on it again, and it opens. Pretty cool. I'm going to open the Start Here part, which has no particular dates. Now, this welcome video that you're listening to right now is going to come here. Right now, there's nothing here because I haven't recorded it yet. Then there's a how to study in this class. There'll be a video and a link to the syllabus, several kinds of support items, how to take a quiz, how to use Voicethread, and even a practice quiz, so you can practice doing it. No grade, of course, for that. So that's what this online course is like. In the syllabus, you're going to see my 2 emails and my phone number. I do actually give out my phone number. Most people will text me rather than call because you never know who's where and at which time. But texting is always useful in case you have a big problem. But most discussions should actually go to Canvas because if you have a problem with something, I'm quite sure that other students do as well. So that's my welcome to you to this class. In this class, we begin with writing paragraphs, and slowly, step by step by step, we get to a point of writing long 2 or 3 page essays at the end of the class. I find that the most successful students are the ones who participate a lot. The people who ask a lot of questions, who comment on everybody else's discussion, who really participate in their online class, they get the best grades at the end of the class and they learn the most. So I'm here to help you, I'm here to teach you, and I'm very, very happy to be teaching this class. So welcome to ESL 345 Online. This is Gia signing off.